Do you like deviled eggs?
Yeah, paprika.
Paprika doesn't have a flavor. Paprika is a color. This ain't just some stale deviled egg mixed in. Ooh, wow, the filling is different. No, this is completely different. This is pickled deviled eggs. You have seen deviled eggs a million different ways. There's all sorts of different fillings that you can put in there. You can make cheeseburger deviled eggs. You can make jalapeno popper deviled eggs. You can make... We're changing it up. We're not going to change the filling. We're going to change the entire egg. We're going to take our pickled eggs. And our pickled eggs are going to turn into the deviled eggs. There's going to be so much flavor already. You don't have to add a whole bunch of extra stuff to have a really good quality deviled egg. These have been sitting for roughly 2 weeks. Go ahead and strain off. I'm going to take our eggs. We're going to get cut and cored. They're definitely a lot firmer than a regular boiled egg. Okay, now that we got them all split, we'll just go through and clean them all out. Okay, being as these are all pickled, all we really want to do is add that creaminess to it. There's a ton of flavors in here. We may add a couple toppings at the end, but we're gonna just do a simple, basic deviled egg. We're gonna go in with a little bit of mayonnaise. We're just aiming for creaminess right here. It's super vibrant. So I'm gonna go around the edges and I'm gonna make sure all those yolks get broke up so that I'm able to pipe them through the bags. Take a little bit of a taste and see if we need to add anything to this. I would say no.
It's pretty good.
That is pretty good, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Doesn't taste like pickled egg, does it?
No.
Perfect. This is a piping bag and a cup so I can fill up my piping bag. So I'm gonna take my piping bag and I'm gonna start filling it with the filling. I'm gonna just squeeze some of this down towards that tip. And the tedious job of piping out egg yolk. Oh, yes, beautiful. Oh, I blew it out. Great job. It's okay. Don't panic. We know how to manage this. So we're gonna go to a non-disposable. We're just gonna squeeze it all into there. Okay, let's see if we can make this work without exploding it out the end of this one.
Beautiful. Look at that technique.
Got all of our wonderful deviled eggs prepped. Let's get a couple taste tests done, shall we? I don't even really care for deviled eggs, but this is perfect. It's got the salty, it's got the pickle, it's got the creamy, kind of killed all the eggy. That is a perfect deviled egg. Do you like deviled eggs?
Yep.
Oh, you do? Try my pickled deviled egg.
That's pretty good.
Give it a try. This is Chef Dad's pickled deviled eggs. Don't like it? Good. I'll eat it. That saved us more. Okay, so what do we got here? We have some pickled beets. There's the beets that we pickled just a few days ago. Opened up, we're gonna give them a try, then we're gonna level up our deviled eggs. Earthy, sweet. There's no pickle. So let's go ahead and get one out. That's the best pickled beet I think I've ever had. It definitely has an earthy smell to it, but it doesn't have an earthiness to it. We're gonna get a nice thin cut. Lay it right out over our deviled egg there. Remember what I said, it doesn't matter about what it looks like. It matters what it tastes like. Pickled deviled eggs with pickled beet. It like balances that out completely.
No more paprika on your deviled eggs. Put a beet.
If you've got a crazy idea for a pickled anything or an awesome deviled egg recipe, let me know down in the comments. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching. YouTube picked this video for you. I picked this video for you right over here. That's the subscription button. I need every one of you. I appreciate you. Bye.